Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cupcakes easily at home. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready and measured precisely. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and line a 12-cup muffin tin with paper liners. This preparation step is crucial for a smooth baking process. Having everything at room temperature will also help your batter mix more evenly, leading to a better texture in your finished cupcakes. Now let's get to mixing. In a large bowl, cream together your softened butter and granulated sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy. This step incorporates air, making your cupcakes tender. Next, beat in the eggs one at a time, followed by the vanilla extract. In a separate bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients. Gradually add the dry mixture to the wet ingredients, alternating with the milk, beginning and ending with the dry. With your batter ready, it's time to bake. Carefully spoon the batter into your prepared muffin cups, filling each about 2/3 full. This prevents overflow and ensures a perfect dome. Bake for 18 to 22 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center of a cupcake comes out clean. Let them cool in the tin for about 5 minutes, then transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. Patience here ensures they hold their shape. The best part is here, decorating. Once your cupcakes are completely cool, you can pipe or spread your favorite frosting onto each one. Whether it's a classic buttercream or a tangy cream cheese frosting, make it your own. Add sprinkles, edible glitter, or any other decorations to make them truly special. And hey, if you're looking for other great deals, check the description for a link to some amazing socks and more. Now, gather your loved ones and enjoy your delicious, homemade cupcakes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.